Hello, good day, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening in different parts of the world. Hi friends, see here I am cleaning today. I'm here in our uh, simple house. It's our manufactured house. I'm cleaning, and so I am going to clean this one first right here. And look at what I got. It's a wide place to clean up. So, okay, what I'm gonna do first is just leave it there so you will see me. I'm here. Woo. I'm kind of sweating now, while I'm cleaning. This is really a single wide manufactured home, but then it's big. It's big, and long. So it's not very easy, if you're going to clean it just for one day, so it's a lot of, you have to put a lot of time. See that I have to clean that part right there, and then let me show you again. Here I clean this part right here, and here this kitchen right here I'm cleaning too. This kitchen right here I'm cleaning. Oh, the kitchen alone though. Okay, so this is the kitchen, and the other day Jackie helped me and Phil helped too, and I think here today I have to redo again the cleaning on the floor. See that? This is the master's bedroom. I have to clean up. Oh God, see that? It's not just easy. So even you have to clean right away. Okay, yeah, this is a manufactured home, but then it's nice. Had been home to me for a long time, right? And then okay, so I've been clean up. So this is the, see that? This is the master's bedroom that I'm going to clean. Okay, all right. Clean still. And then let me walk you to the bathroom here. This is the bathroom, the master's bathroom. It needs to be like a lot of cleaning too, but look at that. So it's pretty good size, and you can just easily finish it cleaning in. If you have to clean for one day, you know what, you have to really spend time, but you will be so tired. Okay, yeah, see that had been doing some renovations here, and see that has been my spa. Oh no, it has been my spa before. Look, yeah. But since they're renovating it. Okay, that's all right. That's finished renovating it. And look how sweaty I am. Okay, I got a hard time trying to clean the what do you call that? The shower room here. Yeah. This is the one that I got a lot. I bought a lot of Clorox already. Okay, for the Clorox on the floor. But I think the color is really like that. It's kind of yellowish. It's like kind of yellow cream. Combination of yellow and cream. So, this. Alright, look, I'm gonna take you a walk. So from here, I have to walk from here. And Phil has to do the mow the yard. And he has to, you have to clean up from here. And you go up to there, you know. You will not be able to finish it right away. See? Then this is it. Up to here, you know, it's like a lot of time already. And then from here you can see from here. So I still have my cleaning materials right there on the kitchen snack bar. And here's my spouse. Say hi, Han. She said hi. Hi. And yeah, you know what? There's a pantry too. Yeah. See, pantry that's like I and Jackie cleaned up. Phil also helped.
Phil did it all.
Yeah. And he did a good job of repainting, you know, painting the place. Yeah. Oh, I need some break. I'm sweaty now. We pass by that's the living room right there. It's kind of, yeah, as I said, it's a manufactured home, but it's kind of bigger to clean. See, this is a room for the kids. Yeah, there's another room here for the kids. And then here's another one. There's another bathroom here. Bathroom for the kids too, or if you have guests. And here is another room here. See that? Okay. So, yeah. That's not, I still have my cleaning materials there. So, I was so happy that Jackie had helped me here yesterday. So, we have to leave Grandma for a while and then come here and clean this house. Okay, so today she's taking care of Grandma, so I'm the one cleaning here, and also Phil is also working on something here. See that? This is the room of Jackie. This will be the room of Jackie. Okay, before, yeah, right, okay. So I gave you a tour of our manufactured home where I live for probably like 12 years. 12 years, yeah, probably 12 years. Yeah. All right. So I'm happy to say, please click my subscribe button, like,